Hi there, Diederik again. Let's get you started with your GOM Inspect suite. In this Getting Started video, we'll be teaching you how to perform 2D inspection in GOM Inspect suite. Feel free to pause at any point to follow along, and there's also some chapter segments if you wish to skip ahead. Let's get started. To show you how we can perform 2D inspection in GOM Inspect suite, I'll start from this project. Like before, I already have my pre-alignment made, and thus my CAD file and my scan data are nicely aligned to each other in this global best fit. 2D inspection, in this case, will be based on a section. How do we create a section? Let me show you. Under the Construct menu, I find here Section, and I'll just make a single section. In this dialog box, I could select my reference plane or my position. And you see here, if I scroll, it'll give a highlight and a preview of where that section cut would be made. But in this case, I want to inspect these holes, so I'll just click halfway this hole and define my complete CAD file that needs to be cut. When I make this section exclusive, I take a nice front view and I apply what we call a measuring principle, so it also takes the actual section. I'm ready to do some 2D inspection. My main interest right now is these two top holes, one here and the one right there. What is the size? Are they within tolerance? What's the distance between those two? Let's check that out. Creating circles, here, construct, circle, auto circle. And just with one click on this hole and on the second one, it automatically makes those two circles for me. When I'm done, create and close. Those two circles, I'll use our measuring principle and make sure that the software also finds these inside my mesh. And you see here more than 200 points are used to do this. Of course, the benefit of full field surface data. Using this iInspect menu allows me to perform a check on these circles. I could check X, Y, Z coordinates, or in this case, I first want to check the size, the diameter. I could enter a tolerance. Let's take 0.2 millimeters. Okay. Within a few clicks, I have feedback whether the size of these holes is within tolerance, within specifications, and as you can see with the check, they both are. Great. Next to the size, I'm also interested in the position. Here I see X, Y position, probably interesting to know whether they are positioned well. With Control, I can select multiple inspections and they just appear in those same labels. I like this a lot. Last thing I want to check, the distance between these two, because that's what my measurement plan asked me to verify. Creating a distance under Construct, distance. This is obviously a 2-point distance between circle 1 and circle 2. And just clicking with Control on these labels automatically creates that distance. Making sure there's also an actual distance. And now I can check, for example, in X, the distance between these two holes. For nice reporting purposes, I could even drag out this little distance, place the labels the way I want, maybe these two on the outside a little bit, and I'm ready to create my report page, as I've shown you before. Remember, here at the top bar, create report page, define what the title should be, inspection, circles, and I'm done. This is how easy it can get. 2D inspection in GOM Inspect suite. Creating a section, making circles, verifying their size and position, and creating report pages. If you've experienced anything else on your side than what you've seen here, or you have questions or problems with GOM Inspect suite, reach out to us at support@handsonmetrology.com. If you're interested for more information, check out the other videos as well. Thanks for watching and see you next time.